Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to add friends in Clash Royale and you are looking out how to do so, you may basically follow up these steps easily and you can add friends on your Clash Royale too. So access Clash Royale, and once you access Clash Royale, you can find this interface right here. All you gotta do is basically look out for the friends option, usually in the top of your screen, and go ahead and click on it. After you click on that friends option right there, you will be finding an option called invite friend directly. Click on it. And within there, once you click on it, you can find an option called friend request. Sharing link, you just need to copy up that link and share it with any of the media available. And that should do it. If not this right here, you can use another method. So on your main home screen of your Clash Royale, you can cross this out. You can find a trophy option in the bottom right corner. Select it and then you can start up a match. So you can scroll down, go to classic 2v2 or classic 1v1, and you can select this battle. After you select battle, you can play with a friend, and you just need to select this option of invite friend right there. After you select that option right there, you can follow the same process. You need to copy and share the link right there, and once the friend accepts it, you will be adding that friend in your Clash Royale very easily. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may also follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.